Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to look at Chainlink. We were supposed to make another video once we had cleared 35. What did you do? So now we have to make a video on where the hell the bottom is. So I'm here to help with that. Where could we go? Well, let's zoom in. What do we have? These are moving averages. What is this bottom one? Is there a reason it's a bottom one? Yes, this is a big one. The 200-day moving average, exponential moving average, 200-day. Can we go below it? Well, certainly, obviously, right? Big drops, you can go below it. But historically, that is a pretty significant level on all coins, not just Chainlink. The 200-day. Could we go lower? Sure. But we're going to look at a couple things today that maybe the end is sooner than you might anticipate. So, a lot of a pretty substantial drop. Let's see how much from the top wick. We are already down to the 200 day is about 30%. In a bull market, 30% is about what you get for typical, big pullbacks, right? So Bitcoin's down about 15, a little over 15%. Most altcoins will usually do a little bit more than that, sometimes double. Hence, Chainlink's double Bitcoin's drop, okay? So could we turn around here? Sure, right? Let's look at some more evidence of why that the end could be near for the drops. Well, let's zoom in to Chainlink's weekly chart, right? So the weekly chart, words, Chase, words. We're down 20% this week on Chainlink alone. That's just this candle, not including the top. We're down more than that, right? 30%, what we said. However, the 21-week EMA is at just shy of 28. So let's see exactly where it is at. Right now it's 27.70. You can see on the left here. Okay, so let's hide that so we can see more. Now, looking at our July drop, our capitulation, our final closed right at the 100-week moving average. Could we go lower than that? Yes. Well, not lower than this. I don't think we're going back to this low, right? I think we're going to be putting a higher low in than this. Where is the bottom? It could be soon, like I said. Where could our next, if we close under this in 3 days, 8 hours, this is a big week, big weekly close for Bitcoin, all your favorite altcoins. This is a big close. Where are we going to close? Are we going to close under the 21 week? Well, Bitcoin will kind of have control over that. So watch Bitcoin. Let's flip over to there real quick and let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's got a ways to go to the 21 week, right? It's all the way down at just under 53K. Will Bitcoin go lower than that? Highly unlikely in my book. Now, if Bitcoin drops another, 9-10% down to that, yeah, alts will go down more. But I do anticipate if we go down here, it'd be very quickly bought up. And that would be kind of my bottom floor for Bitcoin, just FYI. Now let's go back to Link. So where could Link go if Bitcoin drops that low? Well, the wicks could be wherever, right? The wicks just tell where the price went during that given week. The candle closes are the important part. And a close above that 50-week would be certainly in my book for kind of the floor for Chainlink for a close, okay? And that's only if we are not even close to our 21 week given the next handful of days. I could certainly see Chainlink closing above the 21 week, and if it does that, then we're setting up a power play, because then with Bitcoin, that would likely mean Bitcoin's around this level or a little bit higher, right? So if Bitcoin just kind of chills out the rest of the week, the next 3.5 days, altcoins can start to recover a little bit. That's what we would need. So watch the weekly close for Link and whatever your favorite coin is. This will be an important weekly close for our kind of determine how the rest of the year might go. So we'll keep you updated. If you're watching these videos and you're not on my free Telegram, go join the free Telegram. It's free. Look at it. I post things there that I don't post on YouTube. So days that I'm not on YouTube, or I only make one video on YouTube for whatever reason, I'm usually letting those people know what's going on in the Telegram. So you can do the free one. It's free. Costs $0. That's what free means. Or you can do the paid one, and there's a little bit more significant information. Try to alert you to when I'm getting in and out of the market, that kind of stuff. So try the free one out and see how it goes. What else do we got? The 5-day Gaussian channel, our beloved. Our line here that seems to, we can't possibly ever break it. the $35 region, right? We've got to the top of that 5-day Gaussian channel. Right back in September, we tried. No thanks. And then we tried again in early November. Didn't like it. Tried again the next week. Didn't like it. So now what do we got? Well, look at this area, right? We talked about that the 50 day, the 50 week. This would also coincide with that. The median Gaussian channel, which is around that 2550 level. More support. Another indicator saying similar things. That's what you want to look for. You don't want to go off one indicator or one thing or one moving average. You want a conglomerate, a team, if you will, to a team of indicators all saying similar things. That's how you can be more certain of what could be coming next. Okay, so that is link on the 5-day Gaussian. We need to hold either support here, breakout here. Once link is above 35, hey, the skies will clear. I promise. But that is a big milestone to do, which we haven't been able to do in 3 different weekly attempts now. Each of these candles is 5 days. So that's 3 times we've been right at the top and not been able to do it. It will be significant when that moment comes. Be ready. It's coming. All right. Link on the daily RSI. This is the relative strength index. You should be watching this on Bitcoin. You should be watching this on every coin. As you get lower here, you need to look back in history and realize where you're at. Look at the level we're at. We're right, and where are we at? We're about 30, just under 35, right? How many times have we been here? This is the past year right here you're looking at. How many times have we been down here? What does this mean? Maybe you're new and you have no idea what the hell we're looking at. So this is a sign of strength, relative strength index, right? So anytime you're down in this area, usually everyone's selling, right? That's why when you cross this borderline, it's by definition oversold. Too many people are selling, no one is buying. Usually a good time for you to be buying, because this is the herd, right? The herd, the majority of crypto or whatever you're looking at, even in the stock market, this works. Everyone is selling, fear in the streets, everyone's getting out, right? This is the time that smart money gets in. So where are we? Are we near selling, or are we near buying? We're near buying. That was the answer. So what we've been here 3 times. The May capitulation, the massive drop, the 56% drop or whatever it was out of Bitcoin, right? Or all of crypto was getting hammered in May. We went to 33.7, right? Then in June, another come back down. Then our final capitulation when link was at $13, right? Everyone was screaming link's going to 5. I was arguing with people on Twitter that the bottom is close. Guess what? I made bets with people that link wasn't going to 10 when we were at $12. I was getting nervous. But the turnaround was near. Why? Because I have a lot of indicators that are saying similar things, just like now, right? We could go a little bit lower, sure. But are we going, way lower? Heck no. Heck no. With a capital heck. All right, so just simmer down. This is just a healthy pullback in order for us to make bigger waves in the ocean of profits. I don't know where that got. Prolific. All right, so crypto fear and greed index, we're 54. We're neutral. We're just hanging out, right? Healthy pullback. We're not in extreme fear even. We're not in fear. Simmer down. The big picture is up. We're going up, okay? I'll fight you if you think we're going down. All right, quote of the day. If I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. Emily Dickinson. Lessen the suffering of others. If you have the ability to help someone, do it. All right. Car of the day. You might have guessed it by my search. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the SUV from Mr. Rosie himself. But this is a special one. What can you tell about it? Maybe you're a Rolls-Royce fan. I had a comment on one of my videos, I think earlier in the week, that said, why don't you do luxury cars? I said, I don't know. That's a good question. I like Rolls-Royces. I like Bentleys. I like the luxury cars. I don't know why I don't do it. I think it's just because I don't have that many model cars of luxuries. But I'm going to start. I'm going to look. They don't make a whole lot, right? They make a couple, but maybe that's going to change. I think I think the majority is changing towards, luxury is in the supercar. All supercars don't have to be super fast, right? I think this is a supercar by me. I think supercars are kind of defined by price, really, if you ask me. Hypercars over $1 million. Supercars, what, 100K, 200K? Supercar 200K plus? You can get regular cars over 100K now, right? So this is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, but this is the black badge. What does that mean? Well, guess. So the chrome is black. I don't know why you'd think they maybe do some black wheels, but with the black badge, hello. But it still looks good, right? You got the black window trim instead of the chrome. I feel like the handles are still chrome, it looks like to me. But the black here, it's pretty cool. I don't know, would you get the chrome or the black? I think I might go for the black. It's a little bit more exclusive, probably higher resale, all that good stuff. Usually in supercars, the more options you get, the more money you spend up front, the rarer it is, the less you're going to lose when you resell it. And you can even make profits. So supercars are a different breed. We're going off on a tangent here because I want to. Supercars, the rarer it is, the you're probably not even going to lose money, right? A lot of people buy these supercars and these special editions and then resell them for more than they make. Certainly, like Lamborghinis and Ferraris are in that boat now. Why? Because everyone's switching to part electric or all electric. So the gas engines are never going to be made again. So the values have skyrocketed. I mean, you're talking about doubling in price over the past year and a half for a $300,000 Huracan Performante can go for well over that. And Lamborghini SVJs, those started at like 500. You can't get one of those for under $1 million now. So yeah, that's why. And they're limited in production anyway. Those are under 900 production anyway. So that's my supercar tangent, and I think I'm out of juice. That's it. So that is Link. Stay patient. We're gonna make it. We're all gonna make it. Wag, whatever that euphemism is, we're all gonna make it. It's a true story. Hang with me. I'll help you. It's not that serious. So if I'm not making my videos, just chill. I'll update you if it's important. It's not important. I know nobody will watch. That's why I really focus on more Telegram stuff. So that's where you should go follow. If I'm not making YouTube videos, go follow me on Telegram. I'll try to update you there. Because I know that no one's gonna watch. Half of the people watch. So I'd rather go spend my day with my dog, my cat, do something else. I try to help you as much as I can. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, you're not watching this, I'm pretty sure. All right. I can't imagine spending like 400 grand. This is like 400,000, by the way. There's many other cars I would rather buy if I had 400 grand. And I think many better investments. You could buy limited edition supercars or hypercars for that. But I like it. But 400K for that, hard pass. I'll see you on the next video.